2011 Toyota Tacoma extended cab, 4-door, 118,000 miles, in wonderful condition. New tires, new brakes. Very, very clean vehicle. Little tow package with wiring, bed liner, sliding rear window. Extremely clean truck. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. All 4 doors open up. Cloth seats, like new condition, in and out. Automatic transmission, AM, FM, CD, 118,000 miles. Backup camera in the rearview mirror. Let's see if I can show it to you. There you go. Rust-free vehicle. (2011) Toyota Tacoma 4-door extended cab, 118,000 miles, in wonderful condition.